In this video, I show you how you can stop the laptop from turning off or sleeping when it is in idle mode. So we will set some display settings, some power settings and some sleep mode settings from the control panel. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm using Windows 11, but Windows 10 have almost the same features. What we'll do is just go to the start menu here and just right here, control panel, just open that. And by default, it is set to category. We will change it to large icons. And here on this area, we will find this power options. It might be here or somewhere else. So just locate this and click on power options right here. Now by default, it is set to balanced, but we will just change the plan settings for this one as well, or we can create a new power plan of our own. But let's just continue with this one. We will make a couple of adjustments so that it won't sleep or turn off the display after some time. So just go to the change plan settings. Now here we have two options: turn off the display and put the computer to sleep. One is set to 5 minutes, one is set to 15 minutes. All we have to do is just change it to never from here. And this is the virtual machine. So that's why we are seeing this only two options. Otherwise, if you're using it for your main PC, you will get two options: on battery and plugged in. All should be changed to never. So that should be four options: two for battery, two for your plugged in options. All right, after that, just go to the change advanced power settings. Now just locate PCI Express and link power state management, and it is set to moderate power savings. Let's click on that and click on off, so it never turns off. Now, if you're using some other version of the Windows, you might get two options in that state: on battery or plugged in. Now, again, I'm using virtual machine, but if you're using your main system, then you will get two options: on battery and on plugged in. So change both of them to off. Now just click on apply and OK. And after that, just save changes and just close this. And now your computer will no longer go to sleep or turn off when it is idle or not used. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, comment down below if it works, like this video and subscribe to our channel, because that really helps me out, and I will see you in the next one.